Today is the day. The old man finally let me take out his sled today. We are riding on MXZ Blizzard, which has the 900 engine in it, which kicks some serious tail compared to my Renegade, which you guys have probably seen on the channel before. It's nice to finally be out here and get out and ride now that the trails are finally open up here in Muskoka. I'll be able to make more riding videos to come on the channel and create a little bit more content for you guys, which will be nice. We are riding along 87 North, going to be branching. Oh, alright, completely missed my turn there. We are going to be hopping on 82, going down it a little ways on this freshly groomed powder. It's honestly amazing to be back out here. Finally, season starting back up. Up here in Huntsville, the trails were red until only a few weeks ago. But we had a lot of powder come down, which was weird. I don't know if it's because of COVID or not, but I know past us up a little bit, up towards Cochrane there, they closed all trails, which really sucks, because I wanted to ride up there, but maybe soon we'll be able to shoot some content for a video for you guys. From what I heard, it's a big, open, wide trail, so you can really get on it. So we'll be able to have fun and get you guys some good videos to watch this year. Let's do some riding though. Oh, this sled has some great cornering compared to ours Renegade. I love the skis on this thing. If you guys are wondering which skis I'm referring to, these guys are the adjustable pilot TS skis, I believe. They are factory skis that come on the Blizzard edition that I'm currently riding. And wow, this sled really rides like a dream. It has great acceleration. The track's a little bit small though. Ooh, nice corner. Ooh, I love being back out here. Sorry, getting off course there. But the track on this thing is a little bit small lug-wise. They're a little bit short. They're 1.25. They are the Ice Ripper studded. So if you do go in some deep powder, you could get a little bit stuck, which does suck since I want to do a little bit of backcountering, but honestly might have to get something else. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just gotta adjust the camera. See, I don't know if you guys can see properly, if you guys have a good view or not, but I'll quickly throw in a clip of him getting stuck a few times. Oh, okay. Let's finally get on. I don't know how much battery life's left in this GoPro. But, yeah, stay tuned, guys.